Well guys, here's my plans up. Using the old chainsaw for. Cut some logs yesterday when we got the new chainsaw. Yeah, that was a pain in the ass. Cutting the wood was a pain in the ass to cut. So many angles to cut. There it is, here's the chainsaw. Turn the light. They're either gonna keep it. This thing's so retarded. Keep it. Keep it for parts. Or throw it in the garbage. I might be able to do this. Somehow. Take all this shit off. Take all this crap off. Off the engine. Trigger. Get rid of it and put something else better on. Make a tank. Bicycle. Gas bicycle. So yeah. You ride this. The trails that I go on are like way over there. That was the neighbors called the cops. My friend John with the Coblin, he got in trouble. Almost got his mini bike and his dad's big Bayou 250. Almost took it away. But luckily the cop was nice enough. So I don't know how we're gonna get it over there. So, you know, there's no way we can get over there without them calling the cops. I had a cracked wheel I cracked from my scooter wheel. It's fucking retarded. Well, anyway, there's an update. An old Craftsman chainsaw. Oh, there's the cover from my Honda XR80R. Yeah, Honda XR80R is going good. It's taking a little bit. I had a good impression. Might bring it over to my friend's house. Their dad's a mechanic. Really good mechanic, so there's an update. Bye.